Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this short video, we're going to talk a little bit more about the basics of business loans and what you should know to get approved. So most people go to the conventional bank when they actually need a business loan, whether it be Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, they go to one of the big banks. But the Department of Revenue actually reported last year that over 98% of business financing is not coming from these big banks. Almost all business loans are now coming from alternative lenders, which is very important for you to know. So unlike with conventional banks, alternative lenders have much easier qualification requirements. So you can often get approved with an alternative lending source when you just can't get approved with your bank. And even when you think there's absolutely no way you'll be able to get approved. So alternative lending options now mean you can get approved for a business loan even if you have really bad personal credit, even if you have no business credit or no collateral, even if you're a startup, even if you don't have tax returns, your tax returns aren't good and they're showing a loss year after year, even if you have limited or no cash flow. Now, the key to getting approved is to know what lenders are looking for to issue you an actual approval. This way, you can meet the requirements before you even apply. And you need to know what types of financing is available so you'll know which loan source or which loan type to actually apply for. So there's three main types of alternative business loans that are available today. The first are called cash flow based loans, and you can secure these kind of loans based strictly on your cash flow. Now, to get approved, you should have consistent cash flow or consistent cash flow and have revenue over $10,000 a month. And you'll need to be in business 1 year to qualify for almost all cash flow financing sources. Now, the second type of alternative financing is called credit-based financing, and this is where you can get up to $150,000 in unsecured financing based only on the quality of your personal credit. Now, you can get 0% interest rates for this kind of financing for 6 to 18 months, so it's especially good for startups. And this credit reports to the business credit reporting agencies. So not only can you get up to 150 grand, but you can also build your business credit at exactly the same time, opening up even more financing options. You can get approved as a startup, but it's no doc, so you don't need bank statements and you don't need tax returns to qualify, and you can even use a guarantor. So even if you don't have good personal credit, you could still qualify with the help of a guarantor. So to get approved, you got to have a 685 credit score, a guarantor that has one. Okay, you should have low inquiries, probably less than 4 or 5 in the last 6 months, and good revolving credit utilization, or utilization less than 40%, which means you're using less than 40% of the limits of your revolving accounts now. Now, the third type of alternative financing is called collateral-based financing, and this will work for you if you have some type of viable collateral that can be used to offset the lender's risk. Now, you can get low rates and approvals, and they're based on the value and quality of your collateral. So you don't need cash flow, you don't need good credit, your personal credit doesn't even matter to qualify for this type of low rate financing. Now, there's a lot of different kind of collateral that can work, that can get you approved: account receivables and purchase orders, a 401k, IRA, stocks, bonds, inventory, equipment, book of business if you're an insurance agent, commercial real estate, amongst many other assets can be used for collateral-based financing. So in this short video, we just talked a little bit more about business loans. So if you have any questions, if you'd like to learn more, make sure that you first like this video if this video provided value and information to you. And the second thing is make sure that you also go to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/credit suite, and subscribe to our channel, because although this is a short video, we have lengthy videos that outline exactly what you need to know to get approved, the details on every type of financing that's available in the lending space today, and the exact steps that you want to go through to both build credit for your EIN that's not linked to your social and get business loans. Look forward to seeing you on our next video on our YouTube channel.